This is Professor Goddard coming to you today from the Goddard Nugent Test Kitchen, and I'm about to demonstrate to you about emulsions and emulsifiers and how organic chemistry can help you or hurt you if you don't fully understand it. Now, being that we're not in the product development test kitchen, we're in my house, we do still need to follow some kitchen GMPs. So can you remember what they were? First thing first, we're going to check on hair. Got to cover that up. We're going to get rid of the watch, the ring, and we're going to wash our hands for 20 full seconds. Fun fact, did you know that if you hum the Imperial March from Star Wars, that gets you most of the way to 20 seconds? Boys, can you hum it for me? Dun, 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 dun. All right, so we're going to pause here. I'm going to wash up, GMP up, and we're going to get going. All right, hello. So we found a couple friends that are going to be helping up with this next part of the demonstration. We've got
Kai
and
Mikkel.
And you'll notice that they're all properly kitchen GMP'd too. Even though they hardly have any hair, they've covered it with a hairnet, as have I. I got rings off, watch off. They've washed their hands for 20 seconds and we're good to go.
I washed it more than 20 seconds.
Even better. Now, today we're going to be demonstrating what happens when organic chemistry goes wrong and then how we can fix it in the kitchen. If you've ever made candy at home or chocolate covered anything, it's possibly happened to you what I'm about to show you here. Now, first of all, check this out. We're going to have here is some chocolate chips in a double boiler. Now you might be thinking, that's not a double boiler. Well, we're in my house. I don't have a double boiler. But I do have a pot that I can put water in and a bowl to put it on. Now, right now, we're seeing beautiful melted chocolate, nice and smooth.
Nutella.
It does look like Nutella.
But
Nice
it
and
probably
smooth,
won't
nice and melty.
taste as good if I take a bite now.
Well, it's melted chocolate. It can't taste bad. Now, do me a favor,
Well,
Michael.
it would get me burned.
Add to this the tiniest droplet of water.
Okay. All of it?
Yeah. Boop. Now you can put that back over there.
And then I'm going to put some like
Now, watch
guys.
this go. Look at this, guys. What do we have here? First of all, what we need is...
Hey, that's just Nutella now.
No, now we have what's called seized chocolate. So, not yet, Kai. So what's happened here is that the amount of water in this is too much to be stabilized by the lecithin. So now we've taken that beautiful water and oil emulsion and we've broken it.
Actually, it looks pretty darn tasty.
Yeah, but it's not exactly going to coat anything very well and it's not very drinkable. So what we're going to do now, Kai, your turn. Go ahead and put a little bit more in there.
There.
We're going to try to flip the emulsion. More. Nicola, grab me a knife, would you? Just a regular table knife.
Like this?
That's perfect. Because what I'm going to do here, because it's stuck in there, is kind of cut it through there like this.
Ooh, that looks
How about
clever.
one more eyedropper full? All right, so Kai is adding more water, and I'm just going to whisk it up. And you see that part of it
It's still sticky.
is still a little bit sticky. Kai, a little more water, would you? Because what we're doing here is little by little, we're flipping the emulsion. So now, instead of the water being emulsified by the lecithin, so that the continuous phase is the fat-based cocoa and cocoa butter. Instead, we have the lecithin stabilizing the dispersed phase, which is now the cocoa butter, in the aqueous phase, which is simply water. Of course, you could do this with cream and get a ganache, or with milk and get just kind of a creamier hot chocolate. But that kind of screws up the demonstration because milk has phospholipids and things in it that on their own counts as an emulsifier. So it just emulsifies it a little bit further. But I wanted to show you could do it just with straight up water. Go ahead and throw it in there.
All of it.
The only thing between you and some hot chocolate here is more water in this.
Can I?
Yeah, let's just dump the whole thing.
Okay, dump the whole thing? No,
Let Kai do it. Beautiful.
It's starting to look like chocolate milk.
It is.
It's
Let's kick up the heat just a little bit.
It's chocolate milk.
Well, it's hot cocoa. We want to have it warm, otherwise it's cold cocoa, and I don't think you want that.
That's not as...
Michael, can you grab a couple cups for you guys?
Okay.
We don't need any more now, honey, otherwise it's just going to be diluted out.
What does diluted mean?
Less concentrated. So now, instead of having that seized mixture, we've got a nice, dispersed, warm chocolate. All right, so I was gonna have this segment of the video being showing you the hot chocolate and my kids drinking it, but by the time I got over here, they finished it. How was it, boys?
Great.
Excellent.
We wouldn't have drinking it this fast if we didn't like it.
That's a good point. Now I wanted to touch base on something else here. You've maybe seen these, maybe not Ghirardelli brand, but other brands also, called melting wafers. So it's dark chocolate flavored. Now you got some regulatory stuff in there to consider, because this is not dark chocolate, this is dark chocolate flavored melting wafers. You can find the standard of identity for chocolate and see that it cannot have these added ingredients and still be considered chocolate. But take a peek at these ingredients. So we got sugar, palm and palm kernel oil. That's kind of just ways to extend the chocolate and make it much less expensive. Cocoa, of course. And then non-fat dry milk, sorbitan tristearate, and soy lecithin, among some other things for flavor. So each of those contributes emulsifying power. And those emulsifiers let you do stuff like make dipped strawberries, super high water content product, that if you dipped it into just regular chocolate, you'd get about 2 or 3 strawberries in and it would seize up like we just saw. So that is what these ingredients here do, and melting wafers like this make it much easier for the home candy maker to do things like dip strawberries or coat, I don't know, mint things in, and without seizing up the chocolate. And they look a little something like this. But what do you think they taste like?
I don't know.
Well, let's find out. A little piece for you. A little piece for you. A big piece for me. Pretty good, right?